Welcome to Best 5 Products. The Best Flatback Gems is probably one of the most versatile crafting supplies you can find. Whether you're a seasoned DIY enthusiast or just starting out, these sparkling gems can add a touch of glamour to almost anything. From jazzing up phone cases and clothing to creating stunning nail art and personalized accessories, the possibilities are endless. In this video, we'll dive into the world of flatback rhinestones, exploring different types, sizes, and how to choose the perfect ones for your next project. Number 5. 2000 PCS Clear Crystal Rhinestones with Tools. These beautiful rhinestones come in a pack of 2000. They are perfect for adding a touch of sparkle to any project. The package includes a tweezer and a pickup pen. These tools make it easy to handle and apply the rhinestones to your crafts. The set contains 6 different sizes, ranging from 1.5 mm to 6 mm. This variety allows you to create detailed and eye-catching designs. Made from quality glass, these rhinestones have multifaceted sides. This gives them a brilliant shine that will catch the light. Use them on nails, clothes, shoes, bags, and more. The possibilities are truly endless with these versatile rhinestones. What we like. This set offers a fantastic range of sizes, ensuring you have the perfect rhinestone for any project. It also comes with essential tools, making application a breeze. If you're working on detailed crafts or need different sizes for various designs, you should consider this. It provides everything you need to get started. What people say. These rhinestones are beautiful. Used some when making prom dress. With 2000 pieces in different sizes, they're perfect for adding a touch of sparkle to my junk cases and nail art projects. The quality is fantastic, and the tweezers and picking pen make application super easy. Definitely a must-have for DIY lovers. No smell, functions well and sticks perfectly. Comes in multiple sizes and easy to use, lasts, and is durable. They have a really pretty shine to them, and you can do lots of different designs with a variety of sizes offered. They come with tweezers with super thin ends perfect for picking up the smaller gems, and the white tip pencil also makes it easier to use them. Number 4. ASTARON Champagne Gold Rhinestones and Pearls. This kit includes a mix of flatback rhinestones and half pearls in various sizes and colors. You'll also receive a pair of tweezers and a point drill pen. It's perfect for all your crafting needs. The half pearls and rhinestones are made of resin, offering a bright and smooth finish. They are lightweight and beautiful, making them ideal for various projects. The different sizes make it easy to meet different project needs. These flatback rhinestones and pearls are perfect for decorating phone cases, tumblers, nail art, and more. They add a shiny and noticeable touch, making your items look exquisite. You can use them on clothes, shoes, and bags. Simply clean the surface you want to decorate, apply glue, and stick these flatback rhinestones wherever you like. It's a simple process that anyone can do. It's easy to use and adds a touch of elegance. Create unique gifts for special occasions like Christmas or birthdays. You can also enjoy DIY projects with your family. These are perfect for creating beautiful decorations and enjoying the fun of crafting. What we like. The mix of sizes and colors allows for creative freedom in your designs. Made from resin, it offers a lightweight and shiny finish. If you are looking to create unique gifts or add a touch of sparkle to your crafts, this is a great choice. It's perfect for adding a personal touch to your projects. What people say. They are perfect for adding a touch of sparkle to any project. The flatbacks make them easy to apply to various surfaces. The variety of sizes is great for different design needs. Number 3. Mixed color sew-on rhinestones. These sew-on rhinestones are perfect for adding sparkle to your projects. They come in a mixed color assortment in various sizes, making them versatile for different designs. Made from glass crystals, these rhinestones shine brilliantly. The color won't easily fade, ensuring your creations maintain their beauty over time. Each rhinestone has holes for easy sewing. You can quickly attach them to garments, accessories, and more with a needle and thread. Use these rhinestones on fabrics, dresses, shoes, bags, and headbands. They are ideal for personalizing your outfits and adding a touch of elegance. These rhinestones make a wonderful gift for anyone who loves crafting. They'll appreciate the quality and versatility of these beautiful gems. What we like. These rhinestones are designed to be sewn on, offering a secure and lasting hold. The glass crystal material provides a brilliant shine. If you like to embellish clothing, accessories, or other fabric items, you should consider this. It's ideal for adding a touch of elegance to your garments. What people say. The flatback rhinestones are very sparkly and have a nice shine. They are easy to use and adhere well to various surfaces. The variety of sizes is great for different projects. Number 2. LPBeads 6400 PCS Hotfix Rhinestones Kit. Introducing the LPBeads Rhinestones Kit. It includes everything you need for your crafting projects. This kit is perfect for adding sparkle to your creations. This kit comes with 6,400 pieces of flatback glass rhinestones in various sizes. You'll have plenty to complete any project. They are perfect for a wide range of crafts. The rhinestones come in 5 different sizes, from 2 mm to 6.5 mm. This variety allows you to create different effects. It includes a large number of large-size rhinestones. These rhinestones are easy to apply with heat-activated glue. Simply use a Hotfix applicator. It melts and sticks when heat is applied. Use these crystal gems for various DIY projects. You can use them on jewelry, phones, nails, clothes, and more. The possibilities are endless with this kit. These charming crystal rhinestones are made of glass with beautiful cutting facets. They are of good quality. You will love the sparkle they bring to your projects. What we like. These rhinestones feature a Hotfix design, making application quick and easy with heat. The large quantity ensures you have plenty for larger projects. If you are looking for a convenient and efficient way to add sparkle to your crafts, you should consider this. It's perfect for those who want a hassle-free application process. What people say. The rhinestones are super sparkly and have a great shine. They are perfect for adding a touch of glamour to any project. The flatback design makes them easy to apply to various surfaces. Number 1. Dowarm Metal Sunlight Gold Flatback Rhinestones. Introducing Dowarm Flatback Rhinestones, crafted from sparkling glass crystal. These precision-cut gems are designed to add brilliance to any surface, from fabric to metal. This set includes 2,650 pieces in 6 different sizes, ranging from 1.5 mm to 6.5 mm. You'll find the perfect size for any project, all neatly organized in a convenient 12-grid tray. These round gemstones are perfect for adding sparkle to your crafts, nails, and clothes. Under the light, they shine brilliantly, transforming ordinary items into dazzling creations. These metal sunlight gold rhinestones are ideal for nail art, parties, weddings, and DIY projects. Use them to embellish clothes, shoes, and more, creating unique visual effects. Please note that these are non-Hotfix rhinestones, so you'll need to apply glue to attach them. We can't wait to see your amazing rhinestone creations and nail art. What we like. This set offers a wide range of sizes, perfect for various design needs. The glass crystal material provides a beautiful shine. If you are looking for a unique color option to add a touch of elegance to your crafts, you should consider this. It's perfect for those who want a unique and eye-catching look. What people say. They are perfect for adding a touch of sparkle to any project. The flatback design makes them easy to apply to various surfaces. The variety of sizes is great for different design needs. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.